现代人即马万项代志拢爱靠网络，无网络敢若是无法度生活。即马伫澳洲第二大电信公司拜三时，就是毋知影有安怎，因的网络线煞熊熊断去，影响是上千万人。即马是连救护车、警方的电话拢敲袂通，也若银行、火车、巴士买物件，也是上班嘛拢全受影响。
所以有真侪民众拜三一透早醒来，就发现讲无法度去哩网络，对上班到去银行办代志，拢总受到影响。
Well, I can work, just that I can't get into the office because my office has a specific app which I need to download and use Bluetooth for. And because I can't open the app, I'm unable to get actually into the office today. So that's even more annoying.
I'm looking for a bank, and when you can't go onto your Chrome or Google, pretty much you're lost.
原来因拢是澳洲第二大电信业者澳青通信公司的用户。伊讲，这间业者因为不明的原因，网络的服务是忽然间断线，包括手机啊、市话、宽频网络拢受到冲击，若拍乱一般民众生活的步调，连救护车和警方的电话线路嘛拢断去，中国造成明年本地尖峰时段火车和巴士拢袂当驶，真侪店家无法度用电子支付，生理是达5成。
It started from very early in the morning, and then we just couldn't get any customer in. Everybody's paying like EPOS, but luckily we still have a few regulars that still carries cash around, yeah. And then we have to do some IOU to all my regular customer.
这场网络断去的噩梦是对澳洲当地的时间拜三透早4点左右，是一直到下晡要5点半才完全恢复正常。超过1000万人，大约4成的澳洲民众受到影响。业者目前百度受到网络歹盗的攻击，等在深入调查事故的原因。不过，1年外前，澳洲通讯的网络被攻击过，造成超过900万客户的资料拢互偷提去。公司新闻张慧敏编译。